In this video, we will create a web page. First of all, you have to know to create a web page, we have three layers. We have the content layer and presentation layer and behavior layer. The content layer contains the content of the web page such as text and images. The presentation layer contains the visual impact of the web page, in which we will see the styles which are used in the web page, such as colors, themes, fonts, etc. And in the behavior layer, we will see all of the actions that will be done in this web page, such as controlling elements such as forward, backward, next, open, close. And the behavior layer is created using a scripting language, for example, like JavaScript, which will not included in our chapter, and we will work only on the content layer by writing the HTML codes, and in presentation layer by writing the CSS codes. Today we will work to do a web page, a very simple one, which will give me this output. It's like a simple text and a simple paragraph. To create a web page, we will use the notepad. Okay, so we will open the first notepad file and try to drag it on the upper left corner and let it occupy like a quarter of the page, and open another one. Try to drag it like this. Try to make each one occupy like a quarter of the page. This one will be used to write the HTML code for the content layer, and this one will be used to write the CSS code, which is related to the presentation layer. And after we write our commands here, we want to see the web page, so you have to open any explorer. You can open the Microsoft Edge, Opera, Chrome, anyone. Just open it and keep it here on this quarter, and we need to open the file explorer, so we will do all of the tasks easily. We created a folder. This folder I named it chapter 21, and inside it I created another folder which is named task 21A. Okay, so to start our web page, we have to start here. In the notepad file, we will write the first line, which indicates that this is an HTML code. Okay, so we will use the angle bracket. We will open it and we will write document type HTML and close the angle bracket. To create any web page, we have to use a very famous thing which is called tags. What the meaning of tag? Tag, it means I will open a angle bracket and write a reserved name here. Then after that I will close this angle bracket by opening it forward slash. We will write a key word here, then we will close it. So we will start with the first part. The first part is the HTML. So we will open an angle bracket and write on it HTML, and then we will go to repeat it by the closing mark, which is the forward slash it means we now use the HTML tag. This means everything between the opening tag of HTML and the closing tag of HTML is the HTML code, and everything here will be executed and translated to be shown here in the website. Okay, this is the first important tag. The second tag or the second section in the web page will be the head of the web page. In the head, we have to open the head tag and close it, but we'll do some space here, and don't forget the forward slash for closing any tag. What we have here in the head? In the head, we will have the title of the web page, which will appear here on the upper bar. Okay, I will show you now when we work on it. Okay, inside the head we have only the title tag. No, we have many tags we can create inside the head. I will show you these tags, but today we will work only on the title. When I say tag, it means I will show you these tags now. If you see here in the head, we have base tag, link tag, meta, title, style, and script. Today we will work on title tag. I will put everything back now together. Okay, now inside the head we will use a title today. What is the third part? The first part of the web page was the HTML tag, and the second is the head tag, and the third and the very important one is the body tag. Body, we will open it and close it. Don't use any tag without closing it. Okay, everything which will be related for this tag will be between the opening and the closing of the tag. Okay, so in our web page today, what we will do, we will write a title, and this title will be my first web page. So inside the head tag, I will come and open the title tag. Title, I opened it, then I will just copy it and do forward slash here. So here between these two tags, I will write the title, which will appear here on the upper bar of the web page. My first, this is my first web page. Okay, this is the title. Now I want to show you until now what will appear here on the web. How to show this command, this HTML code as a web page. You have to come to the notepad file, click file, save as, save it as task 21a.htm. If you didn't save it as .htm, you will have a problem and you cannot show it as a web page. Okay, I will keep it here inside task 21A. Okay? You see what I have here inside task 21A? I have a file named task21a.htm. If I drag this file up and leave it here, what will happen? You see, we have an empty page and the title of this page, my first web page. This is the first thing you can do. Okay? Now I want to execute the task, which is task 21A. The task 21A asks me to create and save a new web page showing paragraph and heading styles. Here in the heading, we have done. We put the heading in a head section and we called it the first web page. And inside the body section, we want to create a paragraph. Okay? To create the paragraph, I will write a title or a heading for the paragraph. So I have to start the tag of paragraph. Okay? To start the tag of paragraph, I will open the paragraph tag, which is P, only letter P. So I will open the letter P and do a space, and I will close the letter P tag. And here I will write whatever I want. Okay, I will write my first web page. And I will write done by ICT teacher. You can write your name. Okay, so anything is written now will appear here. How? I will just click file, save, and drag this file again. What will you see? You see the title, my first web page, which comes from the head, and you will see another title here inside the body of the web page, which comes from the paragraph here. Okay, so inside anything inside the body will appear here, anything inside the head will appear here. Okay, now can we see this font size and this style? We can change it by using different tags. We have some tags which are related to the size of the font. Okay, so we have 6 sizes available inside the we can use them inside the body section. These 6 tags starts with H1. I will open the tag and close it. This is the first size, and we have the second size, which is H2. I just open it and close it, and we have 3, 4, 5. Each one of these tags is a different font size. I will show you now. This is style H1, which is the largest